G'day and welcome to the Autodata Training workshop. I've got another tech tip for you today. Fuel filters on modern cars are usually hard to get to. They can be in all sorts of awkward locations. Sometimes you've got to remove the fuel tank just to get to the filter. So if you've got a problem and you suspect that the fuel filter may be restricted or blocked, here's a quick tip. If you've got electrical resistance, that will drop the current flow of any circuit. But if you've got mechanical resistance, it will increase current flow. So what I like to do is measure the current draw of the electric fuel pump. If a nice new fuel filter, the current draw will be nice and low. As the fuel filter gets more restricted, the current draw will increase. Of course, it's good to know what normal is. I don't know what normal is on this car, but we'll have a look. I'm going to set my ammeter up. I've got a special attachment, but you can use your normal test leads. So I've removed the fuse. I'm just going to go straight across the fuel pump fuse. So I'll just connect it up. I've got it connected up across the fuse there. I've got my ammeter turned on. I'm just going to go around and start the car and we'll see what the current draw is. You can see I had over 5, almost 6 amps there. To me, that looks too high. As I said, I don't know what normal is on this car, but to me that looks fairly high. So what I'll do is I'll pull the fuel filter off, replace that. If you've got any questions or you'd like to leave a comment, please do so. Or if you'd like to have a look at the full Autodata Training library, why not get a subscription today? Thanks for watching.